Grow Lacrosse's mission is connecting students with healthy food. We know that one of the best ways to do that is to get kids involved from the beginning. A seed-to-table experience means that students have to know what it's like to plant, what it's like to weed, what it's like to harvest, and what it's like to cook the food that you get out of the garden. So a huge part of what Grow Lacrosse does is connected to the school garden programs.
I like the school garden here. It's been important to me because it helps me take care of the environment more, and that's good for the earth.
I do have a passion, and I don't know where it comes from, but it's just instilled in me of connecting children to their food source. It's an important part of life. They go to a grocery store, they see it there, that's great, it shows up, there's apples there, but where did they come from? So I love the fact of getting them connected to the farmer, if you will, back to the earth, and just showing them all of the work that it takes to get that particular food in front of them in their belly. It takes work, and it takes people, and it takes community.
They've taught you how to plant a lot of different things. They've taught you how to water it to keep it alive. I've learned about different kinds of plants and foods and animals.
Some kids were even like, I really like to work for something. You know, they didn't mind putting in a little weeding effort to get the benefit of eating the fruits or vegetables.
The carrots and the cucumbers and sometimes the blueberries, they all come from our garden. They are all planted here.
And to know that this is our school, this is our community's garden. You know, we built it from ground up, and I think it's pretty powerful for them to have ownership in that.
I like that we have our own food from the garden, and it's kind of make me feel happy that I helped.
I've seen the joy in their eyes when they're out here. Engagement is so high, I can't even tell you. We talk a lot about mindfulness, and when we're out here, this is simplicity at its best. Just taking time to stop and to breathe and being in this environment. I think for them, I underestimated how powerful it can be for them to have this part of their day.
It helps me because I can focus better and I can do work better when I'm in a peaceful place.
Sometimes I will just do a read aloud, just getting them some fresh air. Sometimes we'll have snack out here. Sometimes take my science lessons out here. It's a place to teach, but it's also a place for kids to explore.
I feel like Grow is such an important part of our community. I think that we're so fortunate to have so many people wanting to support our mission. It feels like, oh my goodness, there's a lot of like-minded folks that want to see this happen at more and more schools in this community. It really does make my heart happy.